greeting card for daily puzzles. I'm giving one of these away, Billy. Someone wants a cube card. Morning guys, it's day 3 of the competition. I am very tired. I have coffee. Coffee will help. I'm about to go in. Delegates just got here. I'm just going to help them set up because we did multi-blind the end of yesterday, so the tables just need to be reset up with the stack mat timers. Coffee. I need to go do things for delegates just there, doing delegatey things. I'm sure if you guys are aware what happens at a competition. When blind solvers get bored, this is what happens, people. Blind relay. Blind relay. Day 3 was actually more of a social event for me. I got to meet a lot of other cubers. I got to meet more adult cubers, which was great. It's very hard doing a sport where a lot of the competitors are quite young. You feel quite old. But then you meet like a lot of the guys at uni and stuff and it feels okay. You don't feel super old until this happens. What did you think of the 11M Pro, my UV one?
I like it. It feels very like an 11M Pro, but the glare is not good for my old man eyes. Old man? How old are you?
No, wait, because I feel like I might be older.
27.
I'm sorry, I'm 32.
Old.
So, thank you, Mr. Edwards. So I got to know a lot of other cubers really well on day 3. You know what Kerry said? There wasn't any females in top 50 for 3x3. We have to change that. This is like, it's unacceptable. I got to know Jack a bit better. Rank 2, second in hand,
yeah,
one-handed.
I came second. I don't know how. I didn't practice one-handed.
So, epic, because you got like a 14.
Yeah, I got pretty average.
Yeah.
That's not bad.
So, it's going to be amazing. Michael, who won, I think he won multi-blind. He did so amazing for his first comp. Really, really cool guy. I got to know a few of the other daily puzzles cubers like LH Quber.
15 out of 15 in multi.
Yeah, I got to judge that. That was pretty amazing.
Yes.
Hated that you almost like used the parody album on the second one.
Oh, I was gonna do parody. I wasn't sure if I had parody, but then I like fun when I was like, oh, should I not? I'm
yeah. And if you watch his video and you can see my face, I'm like, no, don't do it, don't do it.
You probably could, yeah, it'd be pretty funny.
You got a good day ahead though, yeah? You got like all the second rounds and stuff to go.
Everything's today.
Everything. Yeah, it's gonna be busy today. Have a good one. So we're currently doing 2x2 finals. 2x2 finals. So making friends was a highlight, but also the finals, because it's been a while since I've had cubing finals, you know, where the fastest cubers get to really go for it under WCA rules and potentially break records. So FELIKS obviously made finals, and I think he was ranked first, obviously. And we had a lot of tough cubers, and they were bringing it. We got 6s, we got 7s, 8s, and then FELIKS comes along. Starts laying down 5. Yes.
FELIKS, got 5.
And just like that, with 3 5s in a row, he was really close to breaking the world record for 3x3 average. And we were just all like, oh my god, it's actually happening. And then this happened.
FELIKS with a 7 point.
Oh well, he had a really shocking .oll case where they're in a diagonal. Mr. Christopher, could you explain the ensemble? What inspired the ensemble for this, eh?
So this competition inspired this ensemble.
Yeah? Did you find this or did you make it yourself? I'm just wondering how much effort went into the suit.
It was actually given to me as a gift.
Oh, so was it a well received guest, I'm assuming?
Yeah.
Well received. Hi, buddies. So we're doing the podium, and I think it's going to be, on third place we have this person, this person, this person. And then it turned into a who can catch the Tim Tam challenge. And if you don't know what Tim Tams are like delicious chocolate biscuits, but like better, if that's possible. These are Tim Tams. If you come to Australia, eat the Tim Tams. Always eat the Tim Tams. And one thing about Australians you may not realise, we love our sport. We also love classic catches. You come to Tim Tam? Oh! And then Felix got up to collect, because he came first, naturally. And hashtag fail, guys. Well done. It was a really great competition. I'm so grateful to the delegates for putting on a great competition. The biggest highlight of day 3 wasn't even the finals. It really was. The fact that I was able to make lots of new friends and meet lots of new people, that really was the best part of the competition. And I really hope you guys, if you're not in a country that gets to have comps yet, I hope you get to go back to them soon. So that's the end of Melbourne Summer 2021. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Lennon wants to photobomb all my videos for my videos. Yeah, photobomb.
To Panda Quber because she judged me for molting.
Make sure you check out my Instagram, Panda_Quber, and subscribe to get notified when new videos come out. Thanks for stopping by. Stay safe.